This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn on and turn off push to talk on Discord on mobile. So if you're wondering how to enable or disable push to talk on Discord, follow these quick solutions. So the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. First of all, launch the Discord app and make sure to log into your Discord account. Tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on, scroll down and tap on voice. Tap on input mode. And to enable push to talk, select push to talk. And now I'm going to join a voice channel to show you. As you can see, the push to talk has been enabled. And to disable it, again go to profile. Scroll down, tap on voice, input mode, select voice activity. And this is how we can turn on and off push to talk on Discord mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.